Morning everyone. Today we'll start block 5, uses of plants. Okay, in this block we will learn humans make many things from the different parts of plants. We eat different parts of plants. We make medicines and medicines from different parts of plants, and we make clothes from the fibers we get from plants. Okay. So, lesson 1 is useful plants. Plants are of different types. Some climb, some grow along the ground, some grow big, while some are very small. Some grow in water and some on the land. Plants are useful to us in many ways. Plants also give us fresh air. We should plant more trees and take care of them. Students, this you know very well, plants are very useful for us, right? And we know that there are different kind of plants around us, like climbers, creepers, trees, plants, herbs, shrubs, grasses. Okay, so how the plants are useful for us? So students, first thing is, paper is made from wood pulp. You use paper in your daily life. You are using your books, notebooks. So paper is made from wood pulp. Okay. We eat different parts of plants, right? We eat fruits, vegetables, spices, pulses. Okay. So they are different parts of plants. We make clothes from fibers like cotton that we get from plants. Fiber. What is the meaning of fiber? Fiber is a thin thread like thing. Okay. So we use it to make clothes that we wear. Okay. We get rubber from rubber plants and make things like tires from it. Okay. Next, we make medicines from different parts of plants. Okay. We get gum from some plants and make glue from it. We make furniture from the wood that we get from plants. Okay. So these are the different uses of plants. How plants are useful for us and how we use plants for our use. Okay. Next lesson 2, food from plants. Okay, right now we have learned that we eat many parts of plants. So plants have some common parts like roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. We eat different parts of different plants. For example, we eat the flower of the cauliflower but cannot eat its leaves and roots. Okay, so parts of plants that we eat: carrot and radish. Roots we eat, swallow roots. So we can eat roots of carrot and radish, but we cannot eat the leaves, right? Cabbage and spinach, leaves we eat. Cabbage and spinach, we eat the leaves, but we cannot eat the roots, right? Next is cauliflower and broccoli. We eat flowers of cauliflower and broccoli. Okay. Next is stems we eat. We can eat stem of potato, modify stem, and we can eat sugar cane stem also. It is full of juice. Okay. Next is fruits we eat. So apple, pear, we can eat fruits. Seeds we eat. So corn, groundnuts, almonds. We can eat seeds of these plants. Okay. Next, we can eat the seeds of some plants as grains and pulses. Okay, we can eat seeds of some plants. Seeds of some plants like plants as grains and pulses. So what are grains? Grains are small, hard and dry seeds like rice, wheat, barley, right? So these are grains. Okay, and pulses. Pulses like all kind of dals. You can see here all kind of dals. Okay. Next is we make oil by crushing different parts of plants. Okay. So these are the seeds of mustard, and with the mustard seeds we can make oil. Okay. We get different spices from plant parts. So what is the meaning of spices? Spices are the dried part of some plants that we add to food to make it tastier. है ना, जैसे कि टर्मरिक, चिली पाउडर, कोरिएंडर पाउडर, cinnamon, clove, cardamom, these all are spices. So we get spices also from plants. Okay. Next is plant parts as medicines. We not only plants use to eat it, even we can make medicines also. Some plants of different parts of different plants can be used to treat us. When we are sick, they do not have side effects. What is the meaning of side effects? So side effects means changes, usually bad, that happen due to something. So if we use natural things, if we use plants as medicine, so they do not have any side effect. Okay. So first is clove. Cloves are used to treat toothache. Toothache. What is the meaning of toothache? Toothache is like दांत में दर्द होना, like stomach ache, पेट में दर्द, headache, सर में दर्द, same as toothache, दांत में दर्द. Okay. So we can treat toothache and are used in toothpaste. Okay. So clove we can use to treat toothache. Okay. Next is neem. So neem leaves help to cure skin and gum problems. It also helps to fight germs. Okay. Next is tulsi. So tulsi leaves are used to cure cough and cold. Okay. If you have cough and cold, you can have tulsi tea. So okay. Next is ginger. Ginger helps in curing any kind of body pain and can also cure an upset stomach. It helps the body to fight germs. Okay. Next is turmeric. Turmeric paste can cure cuts and wounds. Eating turmeric is also good for health, right? Next is garlic. Garlic helps in curing cough and cold, body pain, and also in fighting many illnesses. Okay. Many medicines are prepared from different plants parts. Now in this blog, the last chapter is things we make from plant parts. So we get fibers from plants like cotton, jute and coconut. Fibers are used to make threads. Threads are used to make different things like clothes, towels and curtains. Okay. Baskets made of jute. Clothes and towels made of cotton. We make tea from tea leaves of tea plants and coffee from coffee seeds. Right? We get rubber from rubber plants. Rubber is used to make tires. Mat made of coconut coir. Coir का मतलब होता है बेटा fiber that we get from the thick and hard outer shell of coconuts. Okay. So mat made of coconut coir. We get wood by cutting down big and strong trees like oak and teak. Oak and teak are different types of trees, big trees. Wood is used to make furniture and in buildings we should not cut trees. Nowadays we can make an artificial wood like thing in factories as well. What is the meaning of artificial? Artificial, something that is made by humans and is not natural. Okay, so that is artificial. Okay, so this is all about this blog. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.